My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? So today I'm going to be filming a tutorial, which I have not filmed in a long time. I sent my camera off to get fixed and they charged me $200, number one. Number two, they sent it back and said there was nothing wrong with it, but we cleaned it, tried to use it, it's still broken. So I'm gonna have to record on my phone again, which isn't the best for tutorials, but I wanted to do one and I was feeling a purple vibe. Not exactly sure where it's gonna head, but I have a few different palettes that I'm gonna kind of use. The Mercury Retrograde palette by HUDA. I have the Amethyst Obsessions, and I have the JACLYN Hill Volume 2 palette. So let's get into it. I have my eyes primed with some concealer, and I'm gonna take this Morphe M532 blending brush, and we're gonna go in with LIBRA, this light purple right here, and use that as our transition color. I kind of already started on this eye. I was gonna do one eye and then do the other on camera, but I don't really like doing that because then my brushes are dirty when I go to do the other side. Okay, now I'm going to take this unnamed Morphe brush. It's just a smaller, more tapered blending brush. And let's go in with this like pinkish purple color here. And just put that a little tighter in our crease. I'm going to try and look down to have as much lid space showing as possible. Now I'm gonna take, this is it's very similar to an E25. It's just like a no-name brush though. And I'm gonna go in with Therapy SESH right here. And I'm gonna put that in the outer third of my eye, just kind of patting it on first, and then I go from like the outer corner and kind of swipe inwards, and then slowly bring it into the crease. Then I'm going to turn my brush to the side. All right, now I'm gonna take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Purple Velvet, and we're gonna put this on our lid as a base. Now, the tough part, deciding what color I want to use on my lid. All right, let's try Ultraviolet from the Mercury Retrograde palette, which is right here. liking that. I'm going to go back in with my finger. Okay, for the outer corner, let's go in with Not My Journey. This really like deep, like grape purple. And this is a Sephora, some sort of pencil brush. And put that in the outer V. Okay, I'm gonna spray my brush with some setting spray and then go back in with Ultraviolet, our lid shade. Ooh, yeah. The lower lash line. I'm going to use this NYX Faux Whites eyeliner in Lavender Blush for the lower waterline. That's really going to open your eyes up. Like, look at the difference. And then I'm going to go in with Therapy Sesh. Okay, for the brow bone, I'm gonna use I'm In It, which is kind of like a pinkish purple, like duochrome shade. So I got these Touch and Soul METALLIST liquid glitter toppers. I'm wondering if I should try adding some of this purplish one. They're very sheer though, so I'm just gonna put a little on and see how it looks. Okay, I kind of like that actually. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back and we'll do eyeliner and lashes. Okay, so for lashes, I'm gonna be using some of my magnetic lashes. So first, I'm going to need to put on the magnetic eyeliner. So that's what I'm going to do. I usually put about 2 coats on when I do this, letting it dry in between. that dry before I put another coat on. So I did highlight my inner corner as well. I used my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Coco Bling. Okay, so I put 2 layers of the eyeliner on, let it dry. I put 1 lash on already, so I'm using these ones right here. So for a lip, so this is a little more pink than I really wanted, but we're gonna try it. This is my NYX lip pencil in Edge Pink. And then for the lip, I'm going to use this NYX Butter Gloss in Angel Food Cake. Okay, so this is the completed look. Alright guys, let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. Hopefully it was easy enough to where it would be easy for you guys to recreate. Alright, I love you all. It was good to film a tutorial again. It's been a minute, I've missed it. Alright, I love you. I will see you in my next video.